Assalamualaikum my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I make makeup related videos every week. So stick around, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So today in this video I'm going to attempt a makeup challenge that's with the 5-minute time limit. Usually I can do it if I'm not recording and I'm just in a hurry and I run out of the door. I can do it easily, but today I feel pressurized because I have to record it and I have to show my skill to you like in a time frame. So let's see how I do it. I have all my products here right in front of me handy so that I don't have to run to my vanity and get it. And I'm sitting here right in front of my window. The light is very bright here, so I'm sitting right here. The weather is very nice today, very windy and kind of cloudy. So that's the update from my side. I'm excited to try it out, and if you guys want to see how I do it and if I can make it into the 5-minute time frame, please keep on watching. Set my time for 5 minutes, and I will, if I could, I would definitely put a timer clock in the corner here so you can see as well, but I'm not going to cheat, don't worry. So guys, it suddenly started raining outside and that's looking so pretty. I hope the lighting is still good because I'm sitting right in front of the window and I'm going to use that light today. So let's begin the challenge and go. So first things first, I'm going to put some foundation on my face. This is not foundation, this is like Charlotte Tilbury's makeup base. You've seen me use this in another video. Oh my god, I think I forgot to put my mic on. This is it. Not a good start. I forgot my mic. Okay, I hope you can hear me better now. So once this is all like spread on my face, I am next going to add some concealer. And okay, what did I do? Is it the right timer? I think it is the right timer anyway. So again, corrector. I am applying the same Nars both below and above my, like under the eyes and on the lid. I can't edit this, so I must speak properly. Forgive me if I'm not making sense at times because I'm so confused for making this video. I'm like nervous how it will turn out to be. Okay. So I'm using this Stila palette as my mirror because that mirror is very far away. I'm also scared my camera might stop recording because it's a continuous video, so let's hope it doesn't. Just applying where I need some bit of extra coverage. Okay, up next I am going to set with powder. For that I'm using this Hourglass under eye powder. And Charlotte Tilbury's powder for the rest of the face. I'm just dusting it over all over. Okay, up next I'm just going to finish my face first and then move on to the eyes, and I'm going to contour a little bit because even if in hurry you need to have a good contour and a good face so you can look more put together. So far, I have no idea how many minutes it's been already. That's scary. That's not good. Okay, my blush. I'm using Luminoso. If I can open it, wow, it broke. My mirror. I think I have 1.5 minutes left. How can the time fly so fast? Okay, my highlight. Some things in life you can't live without. Okay, quickly touching my brows, and it's very hard. I'm not going to do so much on the brows because not much is needed. I'm just going to comb through. Okay, close it later. I'm not going to close it. Okay. Okay guys, for some reason my recording also stopped. By the time my timer stopped, this is the timer. I don't know. I put the timer for 5 minutes and I don't know what happened. It started off at 40 minutes. So technically this is kind of 5 minutes. I just turned it off. When I saw my recording, it had stopped already. So I was panicked, and that's why a few seconds were over. But I did stay in my time. And I have not had any lipstick on. I just added the mascara. That was the last thing that I added. So see, I get panicked so much when I'm recording, and I can easily put an eyeshadow as well. I had some things in my tray and I thought I would easily be able to do the eyeshadow and I would easily finish this look in 5 minutes, but I do panic. I'm gonna have to try it again. I was thinking of doing a 3-minute makeup challenge as well, but by the looks of this, I don't think I should do it right now unless I have some like experience and like do it beforehand. So anyways, for now this is the end result of the makeup challenge. I think I'm still looking presentable. No lipstick, but I can just put a chapstick like lip balm and go for the day, I think. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you like this challenge and I hope I did not make a fun of myself making it. And it's a beginning, like it's my first challenge, so let's hope I can have more and perform better. And this is it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have subscribed but you haven't turned the bell icon on, please turn it on so you can be notified immediately whenever I post a new video. So keep safe and enjoy makeup. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.